hello everyone. Ayan. Mongolicious with shrimp and chicharron. Ayan. Kain po tayo guys. Oh, this is our lunch now. Okay? And this is my granddaughter. What's your name na ko? Kellen J. Sasena Sablian. Am I right? Yeah, thank you so much. Ayan. Kain po kamo. Quiet. Ayan, kain po tayo guys. So, ang sarap po ng mongo with shrimp. Yes. And chicharon guys. Oh. Mahal po ang isda guys.
Papa,
Yes. Oh.
I can't hear anything with my phone.
Oh, don't worry about your phone, okay? Later you eat first, alright? Okay? There you go. Ayan, kain tayo guys. Ang sarap. Mongolicious. Bangolicious. My goodness. It's so delicious. Siyempre sa apo ko po guys, chicken. Ayan, isang chicken. Oh my goodness. Punti na lang, nandyan sa plato mo, no? Yan ako.
Ow.
Sama. Yan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mikey just
Kahit hindi
touched
ka na magsaw-saw, okay? Yan. Yung sasawan niya po ay kalamansi with soy. At kami po, mongolicious. Wala pong isda, marami pong isda. Kaso lang po, mahal. Kaya, nagprito na lang po ako ng pork chop. Yung kikita yun ka, yung pa mo. Yan.
Ipapang na lang daw.
Napapang na lang? Oh, sige. Hindi. Oh, yan.
Patong mo kay Papang para hindi mo mangawit yung paa mo. Taas mo to. Taas mo sa akin. Oh, yan mo.
Let's go. Up we go. What's up here? It looks like that sewer was connected to a vent somehow. Is it this way?
Oh, kain tayo guys ha. Ayan. Live namin mamaya sa Facebook po.
Where'd you go? Oh, this is a dead end. Oh no.
Anong oras tayo mag-umpisa? Alas 7 po kami mag-umpisa. Alas 7.
There you are. JJ. Oh, let's stay close. Which way should we go now? How about right? Sure.
Sarap.
This way. Anything?
Crunchy.
Let's try left.
Okay. Another split.
Now let's try going to the right.
Okay, sure.
Meron po akong tira dyan na pork chop. Kaya yun, prinito ko na lang po. Yan. Yan.
We can drop down from here.
Yeah.
Let's try. I led us down the wrong path.
Seriously.
Okay, now we know we're supposed to go left.
Right?
At tirang shrimp. Ayan, nilagay ko na rin po. Nagtira pa akong
Like
shrimp.
another drop. Let's head down, Mikey.
Let's go. Inang.
Ano lang.
Yes, we're outside.
May tira din po akong chicharon. Ayan, kaya nilagyan ko rin po ng chicharon. Ayan, mga tira-tira lang sa rib. Okay na yun guys.
Oh no, the baby's
Pangmasa.
Let's run.
Sa abot ng iyong makakaya.
Lasers.
Papang?
Yes?
I touched it.
Run away at top speed.
We have to hurry.
There's a fence. We have to go over.
Magkanin ka ah. Sipunggol ka rin eh. Hindi ka nagkakanin eh.
If you enjoyed today's adventure, make sure to like
Ayan guys.
Uncle Carl.
Sarap po kumain.
Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok whenever you want with the links in the corner.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hey, Baker.
Sarap. Mongolicious is so delicious.
Push it. I like
In
it.
a room with a scary doll.
Let's get out of here.
We
Mmm.
need to hurry. I'm not sure, but I don't
No, it's
want to know.
big.
Is
Where?
this the dollhouse?
This place looks fun. No,
It's not
No,
fun at
hmm?
all. This must be the doll's house.
Hmm.
Ouch!
It
Maybe
will.
that's poison.
Okay?
Whoa, be careful.
Isang apps na lang po ang live namin sa isang araw guys kasi nahirapan kami pag dalawang apps ang pinag-livean namin.
Looks like the only way is down. Let's go. Huh?
What is this place?
Where are we?
Hang on. DJ, these are snacks.
Oh yeah.
Halimbawa, ngayon po, Facebook ngayon, mamayang gabi Facebook, bukas, TikTok, tapos sa susunod po, YouTube ulit
Paul
ganun.
might have put the snacks here to distract us. Don't let your guard down.
Oh, but they look so yummy. Oh, there are cute plushies down here.
Whoa, they're huge.
Sarap guys.
Anything scary. Maybe this place is safe. Look, JJ.
Huh?
It's full of chocolate.
A lake of chocolates?
Kaya maganda kayo guys ha. Sa Facebook kami ngayon.
Tatang.
Hmm?
This place is fun. What are those?
Huh?
Giant donuts.
Those are huge.
This place
Okay.
is awesome, not scary. Look, this candy is spinning.
It does have spinning candy. Oh, there's the dollhouse.
Huh?
We're here already.
It says dollhouse on the sign, but it looks like fun. It's full of candy too.
Is it safe?
Let's go inside already.
Mikey, it's the doll.
Oh no! Wait, it's not a
No,
talking
it's
house.
so big.
Just an ordinary doll.
It's just so big.
Uy, say hi to Ate Saksak there.
Creepy.
Hi Ate Saksak.
Ate, sak, sak.
Just a doll. We can relax.
I've got a bad feeling about this. Come on.
What is this?
It's locked.
Is that the exit?
No.
Ate Saksak always watching our videos. Huh? What? Hi. Wait,
Easy.
wait.
I got this. I got one already.
Good job.
Hmm.
Nice. Huh? Watch out. The doll followed us. Run. It's coming. Run away. Hurry.
He's attacking.
Don't look back.
What do we do?
Don't look back.
Just hurry. Let's hide in this room.
I made it.
Maybe it's too big to fit in here.
Uh-huh.
Where is it?
Maybe it's
No more.
Oh yeah. There's a button.
Eat the meat, okay?
All right, just one more.
Okay?
but where could it be?
And where's the doll?
Let's just find the button.
There it is. Run.
I'm scared.
Ito yung munggo guys. Pinipilit ko yung munggo.
The doll's right
I don't know.
Faster. Where can we hide? Let's
Hmm.
get in here.
Ayan guys ha. Munggo ulam namin. Ayan. Thank you so much.
Hope so.
Bye bye everyone. Say bye bye na kong.